If you can hear, then say hello. Good morning, Hiya. Everyone can hear my voice? Good morning. Hello, sir. Good morning. Yes. Okay, nice. So today's session is going to be very interesting because in this I am going to teach you a huge things which is going to really help you out in all your aspects. So wait for the others to join and then we will start. So everyone is here, then hit the like button. I think the link is shared, still the students are getting in the live session, so we will wait for them. "24 views and only 19 likes. Fast, come on everyone. I am first to like the stream. Tirth is saying okay. Sir, today's aim is 200 like. Definitely, if it's possible, we will hit it. Manmeet. 24 likes. Still not 24 likes. Fast. Good morning, Tulsi. Good morning, Priya. So 27 like, 2 views, still 29 and 27 likes. Chalo, make it fast. Chalo, let's start it. Hello everyone, good morning once again in our live sessions Crash Course 2. And this session is going to be very important for you because in this session I am going to cover a lot of things in front of you, taking from chapter 3 to I don't know till where we can cover, but definitely we are going to learn much more important and interesting things in our sessions. So I hope you like it, and once again thank you once again that on this special Sundays, the weekends, you can say you are here with me to learn math, shows your motivation to me and lots of love which you share during the live sessions. So today's most of the students are always asking about the target. So today's target is 200 plus likes and 300 views. Definitely you will love me a lot that each and every live stream gets more than 300 views, and the first live stream got 550 plus views. This is all due to your love and support. I am very excited to say today that not only you people are watching, but out of Rajkot or out of our school also the peoples are watching me. I am getting a huge views from other cities of the Gujarat also. So thank you so much for this love and support. So today I have prepared a special things for you. As I have told that today is important thing that today I am going to give you many of the important things on the chapter 3. I will be giving you some of the tricks and some of the unique words which will help you out for all the properties of the quadrilateral, so that you can never miss any of the quadrilateral properties. So let's begin with it, and if you are still new to the sessions, hit the like button and motivate me more. So chalo, let's start it. See, today as we are going to start with our chapter 3, that is the, everyone can see the board properly? Chapter 3, what's the name of the chapter 3? That is the understanding quadrilateral. Now what is this understanding quadrilateral? What we are going to look at, first thing which we are going to look at, what is polygon? This is the first question which you should know about this chapter before starting it. What is polygon? Polygon is nothing but you can say the figure, a closed figure which is made up with sides. Yes, poly means many and gon means sides. So such a closed figure which has many sides, that is known as a polygon. Now in this live sessions today I am not only going to share with you the knowledge of all the topics, but few things I am going to share over here, that is the types of objectives asked from it. The objectives means, like if I say that polygon means many sides, then my first question is that what is or how many minimum line segments are needed for a polygon to exist? What are the minimum lines needed for the polygon to be formed? 3. Yes, Hetans is the first to answer, then Swasti, Priya, then Path Vikaria. Yes, Hetan, Soumya, Sangvi. Yes, almost all are there. Heti is here, Dhruvil is here, Kalaria, Rushil. Everyone says 3. So definitely your concept whichever I taught you in the class is very strong, so that you can answer that we require minimum 3 lines to form a minimum polygon. Can you drop the name which is the minimum regular polygon? Can you drop the name which is the minimum regular polygon? Let's see who is the first. Fast. I want regular polygon. Triangle is not the answer. I want regular polygon. Regular minimum polygon. Equilateral triangle. Swasti is the first to answer. Equilateral triangle. Good. Keep it up, Swasti. I like it. Keep it up. Then Heti is there. Yes. Then Gondalia Om. Yes. Minimum regular polygon is equilateral triangle. Definitely. Chalo, so moving forward, you all are answering, but this is to be remembered because this type of question was asked in our one of the exam also, that which is the minimum regular polygon interior angle, and interior angle of a minimum regular polygon minimum regular polygon is 60 degree. So same way if they ask you that what is the maximum exterior angle of an regular polygon, then maximum exterior angle of a regular polygon is 120 degree. Definitely you are here on the right platform to learn all the basic things from it. Yes, Dhruvil is here to answer that 60 degree and 120 degree. Definitely many of them are there. Pranav is there, Path Vikaria, Slok, Radhika, Dhwani. Then yes, equilateral triangle, Bhakti is over here, Dirga is there, Shril is here, Tanti Rudra is there, Paridhi is here. Definitely most of the students are over here. And if you haven't hit the like button, hit it so that we could start further. Hit it. Chalo. Now this we know that the polygon means many sides. Moreover, after this we know that the minimum regular polygon is the equilateral triangle. Chalo, let's move further. Then the next question which we should know of in this topic is what is convex polygon and concave polygon. See, this is very easy. I have taught you that the concave, cave means gufa, and whenever we move inside the cave, that means the figure whose vertex points inward, vertex points inward is known as concave polygon. This will definitely help you out to recognize the figure or the objective will ask from is. This will definitely help you out to recognize that which is a concave polygon and which is the convex. Now what about convex? Convex means the vertex points outward the figure in outward direction. That means these are my vertex and they are pointing outward, such type of outward direction. Vertex point outwards direction. These are known as the convex polygon. Are you clear with it? Yes or no? If it's yes, then hit the like button and show your thumbs up sign over here. Chalo, let's move further. The next topic which we are going to look in this chapter, that is the regular polygon and irregular polygon. Now in this regular and irregular polygon means we have to find such a figure or a shape which has equal sides and angles. That means a figure which is equilateral and equiangular. Such type of figures are known as a regular polygon, whereas in irregular polygon it is completely opposite. That means it may have equal sides but it may not have the equal angles. Either it may have equal angles but it does not have an equal side. That means either both of the criteria are not fulfilled in the irregular polygon or either one of it is not fulfilled. That means the figure which does not satisfy both the criteria of the regular polygon are known as the irregular polygon. Clear everyone? Then the next topic which we are going to see over here, that is how to find number of sides of a polygon. This is going to be very interesting. See, here we know that how to find the number of sides of a polygon when the exterior angle is given to us. Can you say me what is the formula to find the number of polygon? Fast, I am waiting for your comments. 360 degree divided by number of angles. Which type of angles it should be? Fast, Swasti, your answer is incomplete. Number of angles, but which type of angles it should be? Quick. Regular, no. Fast, anyone can drop the correct answer. Exterior angle, yes. So now that Roja says that number of sides equals to 360 degree divided by exterior angle. Definitely exterior angle is the right answer. Exterior angle 360 degree, yes. Equal angle is the wrong answer. The answer is exterior angle. So we had learned one of the formula and the number of sides, that is number of sides equals to 360 degree divided by exterior angle. Till now I had told you that number of sides can only be found with the help of exterior angle. And if by mistake in the question they ask us that find the exterior angle if the interior angle is given to us, then we used to find the exterior angle using the linear pair properties, that is interior plus exterior equals to 180 degree. From there we used to find the exterior angle, but now I am going to bring a new formula for you. Using that formula, you can even find the number of sides using the interior angle. Yes, you had heard the right thing. Now, you can even find the number of sides using interior angle also. So, are you excited to know that formula? Yes or no? Fast, tell me, are you excited to know that? Which is that formula using which we can find the number of sides using interior angle also? Yes, almost are ready and they are excited to know that which is that formula. So the wait is over. As I told that in this video we are going to learn lots of new things. So stay tuned till the last, because this session is going to be definitely interesting for you and knowledgeable for you. Let's started. See, this formula we were using when the exterior angle is given to you, but now I am going to tell you the formula how to find the number of sides using interior angle. So number of sides equals to 360 degree divided by, instead of exterior angle we are going to write 180 degree minus interior angle. This is the important formula you should write down in your book, as I always tell you to sit with the pen and book. Write down this formula, because using this formula you can directly find the number of sides using interior angle. Did you like the trick? If it's you like, then write down first and then hit the like button and express your love to me fast. Do you really feel that this is very important and interesting, something unique? Then write down fast. Done, sir. Okay, once is saying done, sir. Okay. Mishri is telling return. Tirth is telling like. Once Lunagaria shows the thumbnail. Priya, Kartiki, Dhwani. Yes, everyone liked it. Yes, done, sir. Isn't it same, but it's really helpful? Definitely it's going to be really helpful, because you don't have to use the linear pair formula over there. Thank you Swasti for expressing your love. Done, sir. Okay, Manmeet, everyone is ready. So this is a formula which you can use in your exam to know the number of sides using the interior angle. Clear? So let's begin further. Now after coming here, the next important thing which we are going to learn in this chapter, that is really important, knowing the properties of the quadrilateral. So here also something unique you are going to get it, how to recognize all the properties of a quadrilateral using one word. So stay tuned. Meanwhile, I erase the board. You can get ready for the upcoming topic. Let's start it. See, I have a duster, but still it's been good. But still no one is here to give the duster. That's the great thing. Chalo. Let's start it. Are you all too much serious about the studies today that you all are so quiet enough? So are you all ready for the properties of quadrilateral? Yes or no? Let me know fast. Fast. Yes, we are quite okay. Good. Chalo, so let's begin it and recall all the properties of a quadrilateral using a single word which I told, that is to be very sad for you. Definitely, now whatever I'm going to explain you, that is going to be very sad for you. So are you ready? Yes or no? Are you able to hear that word what I am going to say? Because I am going to be very sad about it. Yes, everyone is saying yes, because you all want to know what is sad thing. Chalo, let me tell you the word which is going to help you out to recognize all the properties, that is sad itself. Yes, the word sad itself is going to help you out to recognize all the properties of the quadrilateral. So once you all write sad in the capital letters in the comments, meanwhile I prepare my board. Chalo, write it sad. S-A-D in the capital. Said, yes, with the capitals you write. Meanwhile, I prepare the board. Sad. Now, what is this sad? Teeth, no need to cry. That's sad. Chalo, then one more we can write. Then we can go with the trapezium. Okay, that's cool enough. Yes, everyone is sad. Chalo, now let's see what is this sad actually. If you like this sad trick or you feel it is going to be interesting for you, then hit the like button. Chalo, let's start it. Then I'll be telling you to write these things. See, sad means what? S stands for sides. A stands for angles. And D stands for diagonals. So using this sad you can recognize all the properties. Let's start with the square and talk about S means sides. In square, all the sides are same, all sides same, opposite sides same and parallel. This is the property that all the sides are same in the square, opposite sides are same as well as they are parallel because they are never going to intersect to each other. Then we say about angles, then all the angles are 90 degree each. Moreover, can I say that the opposite angles are same? Moreover, I can also say that the adjacent angle makes 180 degree. Yes or no? See, S for side, A for angles. Now we are going to talk about diagonals in the square. We know that the diagonals are perpendicular bisector. Diagonals are perpendicular bisector. That means the diagonals are going to form 90 degree angle as well as they are going to divide into two equal parts. Moreover, the important one in the square is what? That the length of diagonals are same. Did you found that the SAD is really going to be helpful to you? S stands for sides, A stands for angle and D stands for diagonals. That means whichever property we will be talking about, we will only consider SAD and that will help you recognize all the properties of an quadrilateral. S for sides, that means we will talk all the things about sides. A means angles, we will talk all the things about angles. Moreover, D means diagonals, so you can never miss any of the properties or you can never forget any of the properties by thinking of SAD. Write down please, write down all the properties. This will definitely going to help you out. Everyone is busy writing it because something new they have got. If it's written, tell me written or okay. Tirth is the first to say written. Once Lunagriya, yes, definitely Priya is telling written, already written. Manmeet taken screenshot, fine. So same way, we are going to learn the properties of rectangle using SAD. So let's start it. In rectangle, we are going to see the sides first. In the rectangle, we know that opposite sides are same. Opposite sides same. Same way, what we can talk more about the sides, that opposite sides are same. Moreover, we can say that the opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. This we can say about rectangle. Then sides, everything over that, it has a 4 sides, but the opposite sides are same, as well as opposite sides are parallel. Moreover, if we go to the angles, then in rectangle we know that all the angles are 90 degree, all the angles are 90 degree. If we talk more about that, then the opposite angles are same. Plus, if I talk about then adjacent angles makes 180 degree. Now in this said sides written, angles written, now we talk about diagonals. See, diagonal can only be perpendicular bisector when it has all the 4 sides same. When it has all the 4 sides same, then only you can say that the diagonals are perpendicular bisector. Otherwise you can say that it is the bisector. So here the diagonals are bisector. What do you mean by bisector? That it divides the diagonal into 2 equal parts, that means bisector. Moreover, the star point in the rectangle is like square. What is that? That the length of the diagonals are same, that the length of the diagonals are same. That means in square and rectangle the length of the diagonals are same. See, without using any material, without seeing to any book or anything, using the property of said, I wrote all the properties of the rectangle. So this said is going to be very happy for you. So if you are new and you like this said trick, then hit the like button and write down fast. New, but they haven't liked the video. And if you are new to my channel first time, then hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification all. Chalo, written everyone? Yes, written. Done. Radhika is saying done. Manthan, yes, done. Taken screenshot. Manmeet. Then Dirga, done. Vondalyam, done. Parth, Vekaria, Priya, Rajvi, Upra, Dhruvil, done. Very nice. Dirga, Neeraj, Devarshi, Dhwani, Shreel, Anuradha. Definitely, I'm happy to see you all. Heti, once, quite happy. Chalo. Now moving same way to our third quadrilateral, that is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, what would be the figure of the parallelogram? It would be somewhat like this. So here we can see that the opposite sides are same as well as they are parallel. So as for sides, that means opposite sides are same and parallel, because they are never going to intersect each other. Same way, if we go to the A for angle, then in angles we know that the opposite angles are same. Opposite angles are same. So opposite angles are same. Matlab, what would be the measurement of this angle? Same would be the measurement of this angle. Same would, whatever measurement would be of this angle, same would be the measurement of this angle also. That means opposite angles are same. Moreover, adjacent angle makes 180 degree. Adjacent angles makes 180 degree. Same way, in the SAD, if we move towards D, side completed, angle completed, diagonals. When we talk about diagonals, all the 4 sides are not same. So definitely diagonals would be bisecting. So diagonals are bisector only. It is not a perpendicular bisector. It's bisector. That means it divides the diagonal into 2 equal parts. Clear, everyone? Then write down fast. Write If you are new to the channel, hit the like button. Chalo, fast everyone. Because the upcoming sessions is going to be very interesting, because I'm going to take the new few of the questions from our exercise. Yes, written, yes. Anushka is also here. Taken screenshot, yes. Khushi is also here. Dirga, Khushi. Good. Now same way we move towards our next, that is trapezium. Let's move to the trapezium and see what does the shape of the trapezium says. This would be the shape. Trapezium same shape could be any. There is no definite shape. But yes, there is a one property which we are going to look over here, that there is, we can say in the trapezium that it has a one pair of parallel side. It has a one pair of parallel sides. Definitely we are going to see that, which is, and if we talk about angles, then angles formed on a non-parallel side makes 180 degree. So let's write it out. First we will talk about side. In the side means sides. Sides if we talk, then we have a one pair of parallel sides. One pair of parallel sides we are having. Then we have nothing, and you can also write that we have one pair of non-parallel sides. We have one pair of parallel sides, and another we have a one pair of non-parallel sides. Moreover, if we talk about angles, then we know that the angles formed on non-parallel sides makes 180 degree. Here we have nothing to say about diagonals. For a while. That means in the trapezium we have one pair of parallel sides, one pair of non-parallel sides, and the angles formed on the non-parallel side makes 180 degree. Clear? Write down everyone. See, if you need to learn a lot of things, then you need to be till the end. So that will definitely help you out for all the things. Take the screenshot if you want. See, the board is completely filled up. So if you really want, you can take the screenshot. It will look nice. But one thing, I am never writing this much organized in the class. How many agree that I don't write this much organized in the class? Because I definitely believe that writing in a more beautiful way, it is one of the part, but making the concept clear of the students is more important than writing properly. Yes, done. It's just mess. Yes, definitely, Swasti. It needs to be mess up at the school. Then only it looks like a proper teacher. You know, you might have seen many of the teachers teaching in the class, like they write so beautifully, so organized. It looks like, you know, something else, but still you do not get inside your brain anything. Then what's the use of writing it so beautifully? I think the board should be mashed up only. The advantage of that, you know what is the advantage of that? That students need to be careful that where the teacher is writing. What do you think? Do you agree that the board should be actually the mashup, you know, so that what happens, you know, students need to be careful. If they miss any single movement or they just rotate their eyes from their board, then they won't be able to understand where the teacher has written or where the sir has written. That's why the board should be mashed up, so that students should keep their eyes on the board. કે ભાઈ અહીંયા કાંઈ લખીને વહી જાય, ખબર નહીં પડે ક્યાં લખ્યું. Yes or no? Do you agree or not? Yes, salute sir. Yes sir. Yes. Definitely, yes. Zarna is over here. Yes, I agree. Definitely. Both. So, yeah, it's a different feeling of filling the boards completely. None of the corners should be left out. Right? So, let's move further with our other properties. I don't need to rub the board because it's look too. Let it be. Chal, we need to rub it for the further studies. Still two properties are left out. Two quadrilateral figures which we have learned, that is left out. We will discuss that and definitely we will move further for our upcoming questions. I think today 2-3 players are not there. Like Man is not here, then Marvin is not here, which are always ready to comment like a madness. Already messed, then now how much you will mess. Okay, Mystery is telling already messed up, how we can mess. Arey bhai, still the corners are left. Mystery, can't you see over here? Here is also left, here is also left, over there also it was left in that. Okay, once is saying I am proud of UTS Army. Thank you. Chalo, let's move to our next two topics. That is, one of it is rhombus and another one is kite. One of it rhombus and another one is kites. Now when we talk about rhombus, then what is the shape of the rhombus? Somewhat like this. And if we talk about sides, then definitely if we talk, then the sides, all the sides are same. All the sides are same over here. All the sides are same in the rhombus. Then nothing to say more, or yes, opposite sides are nothing to say more about it. All the sides are same. If we go to the angles, then we can say that the opposite angles are same. Here we can say that the opposite angles are same over here. Moreover, the adjacent angles make 180 degree. So sides came, completed, angle completed. I will talk about diagonals. As here in the diagonals, in the rhombus, all the four sides are same. That means diagonals are perpendicular bisector. Diagonals are perpendicular bisector. That means it forms a 90-degree angle, as well as it divides the diagonal into two equal parts. Write down fast so that we could move towards last quadrilateral, that is the kite. Write down fast. Written everyone? Yes, taken the screenshot, done. Atif Ali. Then Chintal is also here. Nice to see you, Chintal. Anushka is here, definitely. So someone is new, then hit the like button. Hit the like button fast. Chala, now moving towards our next topic, that is kite. Now in the kite you need to be somewhat very careful while writing its property. Moreover, the kite question would be less in your grades right now for a meanwhile, but it should be. You should know that. If we talk about first, that is the sides. If we talk about sides, then I need to say that if we move in a clockwise direction, if we move in a clockwise direction, that means if we move to the clockwise, that means this way, if we move this way, then I can see that the adjacent sides are same. I can say that the adjacent sides are same. So when we move, if I'm standing over here, I need to move clockwise directions, I'll come over there. That means this adjacent sides are same. Same way if I'm standing over here and if I move over here, that means it says that the adjacent sides over here are same. That means if I move clockwise direction, that the adjacent sides are same. After completion of the sides, we will go with the angles. Here you need to be very careful what I am using. Listen carefully whatever I am saying over here related to the angles in the kite. That the angles formed on a angles formed on the longest diagonals are not same. Definitely whatever you have heard, that is right, that the angles formed on the longest diagonals are not same. That means if I zoom up this kite over here for you, I said or I used the word that the angles formed on the longest diagonal, this is the longest diagonal, and the angles formed on the longest diagonal, that means this angle A as well as this angle as T. Angle A and angle T are not same. So I can write that the measurement of angle A is not equals to measurement of angle T. Whereas I can say that the angles formed on the shorter diagonal, that means U and S. Angles formed on a shorter diagonals are same. That means measurement of angle U is same to measurement of angle S. That means this is very clear that the angles formed on the shorter diagonals are same. Clear to you? So here UTS Army. So angles formed on the longer diagonals are not same. The angles formed on the shorter diagonals are same. Moreover, here I can say that the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Diagonals are perpendicular to each other. That means it forms a 90-degree angle over here. It forms a 90-degree angle over here. And the shortest diagonal is perpendicular bisector. Or you can say the shortest diagonal is bisector. Shortest diagonal is perpendicular bisector. That means this is the shortest diagonal, this one. This is a perpendicular bisector. That means it divides the diagonals into two equal parts. Clear, everyone? So this word, 4-letter word, that is the SAD, is going to help you out remembering all the properties of the quadrilateral. If you want, you can take the screenshot, you can write, you can do whatever you want to do, but our target should be achieved. I can see over here still many students are there who are live with me, but they don't comment. What's the reason? I don't know. Might be their privacy. What do you say? Taken screenshot. Yes, done. Yes, sir. Written, sir. Okay, fine. Taken screenshot. Definitely. So now just tell me that, are you clear with all the properties of the quadrilateral? Yes or no? Okay, everyone is clear, yes, Zarna clear, Devarshi clear, then Swasti, then Chintal, Radhika, Atif Ali, Dirga, Kartiki. Sir, when you give when you give scan and learn QR code. Definitely I will provide you the scan and learn QR code very soon. Today I am free, so I will do that for you all so that you can refer all the previous topics and the videos you can go through without searching too much of it. Chalo, so let's move further with our questions of this chapter. But before that questions, I need to explain you the alternate interior angles, corresponding angles, and few important things. Thank you, Teeth, for sharing the trophy. Let's see the few angles which are very important, like interior angle, corresponding angles. Let's go through it so that the complete guide you will get of this chapter. Chalo, let's start that. Let's see corresponding angles and all that. Okay, let's start. Chalo. Now we had learned or we had seen many times we are using the alternate interior angles in exercise questions. So let's see that. What is an alternate interior angles? For example, wherever you can see that this type of Z is formed, this Z can be this way also, this Z can be this way also, it could be somewhat like this, whatever. The angles formed on the either side of the transversal line, that is known as the alternate interior angles. So this, wherever Z is formed, the angles form on the either side of the transversal line, because we had learned in the grade 7 that there is a pair of parallel line and one line which passes through the parallel line or touches the parallel line, and angles formed on the either side of the transversal line is known as the alternate interior angles. I am making you recall the properties because this will definitely help you out in solving the questions more easily. That's why. Kreet is over here. Good morning, sir. I hope that I am not missed too much. And sir, your live is not showing in my YouTube channel. Kreet, your system got hang. Good morning, sir. Sorry for being late. So here, Faldo Krisev is here. Kreet is over here. Okay, no problem, Kreet. You can refer because I have explained them a lot of things like the properties of the quadrilateral I explained using one single word, so that you need to, because after completion of this I am going to keep this sessions on my YouTube channel. You can see that, and I request you to definitely see that because that is going to be very helpful to recognize all the things. Sir, I need to join through the link you sent. Definitely, Kreet. It's not so that you can it can be also seen on my channel that I am going live, but if you don't, that's why I'm dropping every time the link in the channel. No worries. Chalo. Now moving further, so this was the interior angle. Now if we talk about corresponding angles, now I'm going to explain you over here only using this figure. Corresponding angle. Now what are corresponding angles? Corresponding angles are such angles which are formed either at the top of the, or you can say either above the parallel lines or below the parallel line. That means if I draw this, these are my parallel lines. If I am making the angle above the parallel line, that means this double angle sign and double angle sign over here, that means these are called corresponding angles. Moreover, if I draw the angle below the parallel lines, then also it is called corresponding angles. That means corresponding angles, अगर मैं सिंपल भाषा में आपको समझाऊं, corresponding angles मतलब अगर एंगल पैरेलल लाइन के ऊपर फॉर्म होते हैं, दोनों ही लाइन के ऊपर या दोनों ही लाइन के नीचे फॉर्म होते हैं, उसको हम corresponding एंगल कहते हैं. क्लियर? Chalo, so this was few things of this chapter. We will take few examples of this chapter so that it could be clear to you, and then we can move with our next chapter, that is chapter 4. Before that, are you enjoying or not? Just say me, are you enjoying or not? Good morning, sir. Sorry, I am late because of some issues. Okay, Rudrakshi, it's fine. As I told earlier to the few students that about this chapter 3, I have explained you a lot of important things about the properties of the quadrilateral. So I would request you to go to the video once I upload it on my YouTube channel. Go through it because you have almost missed for 50 minutes and I have explained you a lot of important things in it. Okay, you are enjoying. Who is this? We are enjoying and you are slaying. Okay, enjoying very much, enjoying a lot, sir. Chalo, now quickly move towards the questions. I know that this theoretical part of this chapter is somewhat very enjoyable by you in the inverted commas. So let's move to the questions of this chapter. We will not take too much of time because today we are supposed to cover a lot of things. Chalo, let's move further. Devarshi had already explained the concave and the convex at the starting only. I hope that you are late to the sessions. So I would request you to see once it has been uploaded. Chalo, let us see that in the exercise 3.1, everyone get ready with the textbook, exercise 3.1 of your textbook, NCERT textbook. Over there it's been very easy for you to understand, like it has been said that what are called the simple closed curve, concave किसको कहते हैं, convex किसको कहते हैं, what is a regular polygon. Regular polygons are such polygons which is equiangular and equidistant. Moreover, they are telling us to say the three-sided figures. We need to state some of the names of the regular polygon. Like three-sided regular polygon is equilateral triangle. Four-sided regular polygon is square and rhombus because it has 4 sides. Then if we talk about 6 sides, then it is a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon is the answer of the 6-sided figure. Then moving towards our exercise 3.2. Now over here I am going to take 2 questions of the exercise 3.2. One question where we are supposed to find the number of sides when already it is been told to or given to us the exterior angle. The another questions which we are going to cover, that is to find the number of sides when interior angle is given to, and I told you the formula how to find the number of sides using interior angle. Do you remember or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? Hit the like button. Yes. Atif Ali is saying yes. Okay. Kartiki yes. Faldu Krishi yes. Atif Ali, Swasti, Teet, Dirga. Oh my God. Once I said too long. Yes. Definitely. So let's see. Let's go through it. And the 6th question of exercise 3.2. That is what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon. That also I will ask you, and you are the one who is going to answer that questions. So let's move with the 2 questions in this exercise. Let's begin it. Chalo, if we talk about exercise 3.2 question, I would like to go with question 3. That how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of the exterior angle is given to us? That means in the given data, exterior angle is given to us. And what's that exterior angle? That is 24 degree. We need to find the number of sides of the regular polygon. They are saying yes, definitely. So we will find that. So we'll use the formula number of sides equals to 360 degree upon exterior angle. So 360 degree upon exterior angle is 24 degree. What would be the answer? Drop the answers fast. Quickly. Drop the answers. 360 divided by 24. Yes, Parth Vekaria, Bhakti. Okay, Parth Vekaria already answered 15. Krishiv is answer 15. Pranav, yes, once. Everyone, yes. Swasti, Mahi, definitely Manmeet, Rudrakshi, Dirga, Heti, everyone answered 15. So our answer is 15 sites. This was so easy for you to answer because it is direct to the question. Now we are going to take the next question, that is where interior angle is given to us, that is question 4. Question 4 is given to us. Let's see that. Question 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have? Each of its interior angle is 165 degree. So here they have given us interior angle which is 165 degree. But in our formula till now we were knowing that the number of sides equals to 360 degree upon exterior angle. But recently in our live sessions we had introduced one new formula, that is number of sides equals to 360 degree upon 180 degree minus interior angle. So using this formula you can directly find the number of sides if interior angle is given to you. That means number of sides equals to 360 degree upon 180 degree minus 165 degree. That means 360 degree upon 180 minus 165 is 15 degree. So drop the answer fast. What would be the answer when I divide 360 degree upon 15? Fast drop the answer. 24, 24, 24. Yes, yes. Oh my God, the speed of the comments are too fast like an Vande Bharat. 24 is the right answer. 24 sides. So is this equation helpful to you finding the number of sides when interior angle is given to you? Yes or no? If it's yes, then hit the like button fast. Yes, everyone is answering 24, 24, 24. Definitely hit the like button if you really feel that this equation is useful to you. Yes, chalo, let's move further. Okay, so over there in this question, okay, I told you that I'm going to ask you a few questions. That is on the question 6 of this exercise only. So let's ask everyone, get ready with your comment sections to answer it. Are you all ready? Let's see who answers fast today. So I get ready with my phone to see who is going to answer first. Chalo, the first question. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Krit. Okay, Mahi is the first to answer 60 degree. Then Krit, Detroja Pranav, Path Vekaria, Soumya, Upra Dhruvil, then Krisi, Vatif Ali, yes. Then Kalaria Rushil, Misri, Anuradha, Devarshi, yes, almost everyone was there. But the first one who answered, that is Mahi, and then second is Krit, and then Pranav, fourth Vekaria, fifth Soumya. Good, definitely. Arya is also over here, Anushka, okay, everyone here, okay, everyone has answered right. But now let's move towards our next question. What is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? What is the maximum exterior angle? Fast, let's see who is the first. Okay, here Atif Ali is the first to answer, 120 degree. Then Mahi, then Krit, third, fourth Vekaria, and then the fifth one is Pranav, Detroja, then Soumya. Definitely we got our first runner-up of this answer, that is Atif Ali, then second was Mahi, and third was Krit, and then Parth Vekaria, and then Devarshi. Definitely all are answered right, but we will declare the name of the first 5 students. Definitely everyone's answer is right. I can see over here everyone's answer is right. Definitely. Chalo, let's move to our next exercise, that is exercise 3.3. Let's move to it. If you enjoyed this type of questions, if you are enjoying this type of live questions where I'm telling you to answer fast and I'm declaring the few students, top 5 students, then hit the like button. Let's move further. exercise 3.3. In this exercise, I am going to take one question from question 2, then I am going to take one ratio question, that is question 5, then I am going to take one question from 8 and then 9. I am going to take these questions from this exercise and then we will end up. Let's write the questions which we are going to look over here. So it would be easy for you to identify, even for me to identify. So get ready with the pen and book or paper, whatever you feel, wherever you are making a notes and writing down. Chalo, we will take exercise 3.3 question 2. One of the question I am going to take it over here, that is the 5th one. I am going to take, that is question 5. (40° over here, x over here, then z over here, 112° and y over here. Let's go with the question 5 over here. Let us name this triangle, that is triangle UTS, Army. This is UTS and A. So if you see that angle, measurement of angle A and measurement of angle T are same, which is y, which is 112°. Can you tell me the reason why it is? Yes, what would be the reason? I want the reason. Opposite, yes, Chris, you said right, opposite angles are same. So we'll write it over here that opposite angles are same. Then if we have to find x and y. Now just tell me one thing, that if I know this y, I know this 40°. If I want to find x, then can I find this x using which property? Triangle property, yes, triangle property. Parth Vekaria answered the right, then Swasti answered that using the triangle property. Kreet also said that some, Bhakti says that sum of all the interior angle is 180°, definitely. So can I write that in the triangle AUS, measurement of angle A plus measurement of angle U plus measurement of angle S makes 180°. The reason is triangle property over here. In this triangle property, measurement of an angle A, we found it recently that it's 112°. Then U, we already know that 40°, and the S is x, which is equals to 180°. That means you can say here 152° plus x equals to 180°. That means x equals to 180° minus 152°. So x equals to, definitely, what would be the answer? Drop it fast. 180° minus 152. Let us see who is the first. 48. Kreet says 48. But do you think is it right, Kreet? 48, 28, 28, 28, 60, 78. Yes, 28. Definitely. Parth Vekaria said first, then Bhakti said, then Dirga said, then Priya said, and then Gondalya Om said that the answer is 28. Because 8 means 60, 60 plus 20 is 80, that means 28° is the right answer. Now if I know that the x is 28, then can I find z? Can I find z? Yes or no? Drop the message fast. Can I find z? Yes, yes, yes or not? Yes, x equals to z. The reason is alternate interior angle. Faldu said that. Yes, definitely. Alternate interior angle. Mai says yes. Alternate interior angle. Bhakti, Pranav, Detroja, everyone says. So z is equals to x, and the reason is 28. Measurement is 28°. The reason is alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. As I told that over here Z is formed. If you can see over here this way, Z is formed. That means it is called alternate interior angles. Definitely. Chala, moving towards our next question. Now I am going to take the question number 5 over here. Okay, let us discuss about question 4. Draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of equal length. Can you drop the answer? What would be the answer of it? Draw a rough figure of a quadrilateral. Yes, Path is saying rectangle. Definitely it's not a parallelogram, but it has exactly two opposite angles, same of equal measure. So answer is rectangle. Yes, everyone answered. Yes, Atif Ali answered, then Path answered, Swasti answered, Rudrakshi answered, Devarshi answered, definitely Arya answered. All have answered right that the answer of question 4 is rectangle. So you need to draw the figure of rectangle in the exam if it's asked. The measurement of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. So here the ratios are given in 3:2 form, and these ratios are given of adjacent angle. These ratios are given of adjacent angles. If you are new, hit the like button. So we can write that the sum of adjacent angles makes 180 degree, and we can say let the angle be x. We always write the ratios in the form of x, that is 3x plus 2x equals to 180 degree. That means 5x equals to 180 degree. So x equals to 180 degree divided by 5. So x equals to, what is the answer? 180 degree divided by 5. Let's see who is the first to answer. Fast everyone. Yes, okay, first to be answered. I'm waiting for it. 72 degree, Bhakti says no. 75, Kreet said no. 36, Rudrakshi is the first to answer. 36, then Devarshi, then Swasti, then okay, Kreet. The answer is 36 degree. X is 36 degree. If I know the x, I can find all the angles. That means first angle is equals to, which is 3x, and 3 into value of x is 36 degree, which is equals to, what would be the answer? Fast, tell me the first angle. 108. Yes, Swasti says 108 degree is my first angle, and second angle equals to 2x. 2 into x is 36 degree, which is equals to 72 degree. Definitely Swasti again, second angle is 72 degree. Atif Ali 72, Vekaria, Kreet, good everyone. Now everyone is answering. Great. So your all concept is very clear. So if you are new, then hit the like button and we'll proceed further with the questions. Chalo, everyone take the screenshot if you want to take. If it's already written, but still if you want to take, then take the screenshot. Definitely Atif Ali, great. You know why I need to tell every time to hit the like button? The reason is very simple, because most of the students are coming new here and there, but they fail to hit the like button. So if anyone, then please hit it. Today I am going to cover chapter 7 also, comparing quantities. So be over here till the end so that we could learn that very easily. Sir, but only 40 students are there. Let it be, because many of the students are coming, attending the lectures for a while and then they leave, because the students who really want to learn, who really want to achieve the target, who really want to become something, they will definitely be in the session till the last. There is no worries. Chalo, let's start. I also get somewhat refreshed by drinking water. Chalo, let's start it. Manthan is here. Shril is here. Sir, water is superpower for you. Definitely. Sir, we should also do some questions from the old textbook because there are interesting questions. Definitely, Kreet, I know that. But I am right now I'm not taking the questions out of it because almost all the students are having new textbook. But yes, for the SEM 2, everyone get ready that on every Sunday we are going to be live. If it's not going to be there, then definitely I will drop the message in the group that if we are not going to be live. But from the next SEM, we are going to work so hard. I am going to provide you the objective questions. I am going to provide you the extra questions. Definitely we are going to start with the series also of the upcoming chapters. In series, we will never take the questions from the textbook. We will always take the questions out of the textbook in the series. So get ready for the SEM 2 chapter series. We will take the questions from different books for our latest questions, and rest all the videos and live sessions, everything, lot of things is going to be there on the next. So every time you get ready and keep it in a practice to study maths on the Sundays around 1:30 to 2 hours. Matlab 1.5 hour to 2 hours daily. Get ready to learn math on the Sundays. So are you ready for that? Yes or no? Drop the message so that I get motivated that are you ready or not. કે પછી exam પછી you all are going to forget me. Who is Utsav sir? What are the live sessions? Is it so? Yes or no? Yes, as always ready. Thank you, Kreet. No. Swasti is saying no. Okay, so you all are ready, that means. Okay, great to see. Here you all. Sir, sweat is on your t-shirt. Thank you for your hard work. Always for you. Never. How can we forget you, sir? Atif Ali. Thank you. I am great to see you back, Atif Ali, after a long time. Sir, we are ready. Priya is saying. Now, chalo, without wasting any time, let's move further with our few questions. Now, we will take one of the questions from the last one. That is, malab 8th question. We will take one of the questions over there. So this will be very helpful for you, but actually this question I am making you do many times, but still let us take it a crash course. So SNUG 3x 26 18 3y minus 1. In this type of questions we need to recognize that where the measurements are given to you. Here the measurements are given on the sides, so we will recall the properties of the sides in the parallelogram. We know that the opposite sides are same and parallel. So can I say that SN is equals to GU? The reason that the opposite sides are same. Opposite sides are same. That means what is my SN? SN is 26, GU is 3y minus 1. That means 26 plus 1 equals to 3y. So 27 equals to 3y. So 27 upon 3 equals to y, and which is equals to 9. Same way we will go with the another one, that is SG is equals to UN. Same, opposite sides are same. SG is 3x whereas UN is 18. So x equals to 18 upon 3. So x equals to 6. Done? Clear or not? Yes, sir, clear. Okay. Chalo, now keeping this chapter aside, we will move towards our next chapter, that is data handling. In this data handling chapter, that is our chapter 4. Chapter 4, data handling. In this chapter, we are not going to take all the concepts. See, make it very sure. I had already prepared a lot of videos on this data handling. I have prepared a regular videos also in the scan and learn. You will get the whole playlist of data handling QR form, scan and learn. So definitely we are not going to take this chapter over here, but we are going to take one of the topic of this chapter, that is probability, because this is the topic somewhat vast and somewhat deep as compared to the things which is given in our read duster nathi લીધું ભાઈ. You should give me the duster. Sir, you have prepared? Yes. Okay. Yes, I have already prepared once. Once I have already prepared, so I will send you the link of it in a QR form so that you can easily access to that. But I am going to cover today the probability. So this is going to be interesting. Let's begin with it. So are you all ready for the probability? Yes or no? Yes or no? Fast. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so someone is over here. Sir, this is very easy chapter. Yes, definitely it is easy. I think it's an Khushi. Yes, of course, ready. Chalo, let's begin. What is probability? Probability means possibilities. Probability means possibility. इसको हम आम भाषा में कहते हैं संभावना. What we call it? संभावना. That if I say that if I throw the coins, then what is the possibility of getting head? संभावना શું છે કે તને head આવશે? What's the possibilities? क्या संभावना है कि वो head आएगा answer? So this is the whole thing we are going to learn in the probability. That is the probability. Now if I say in this probability, we are going to see first of all the formula. That is probability. The symbol of probability is P in a bracket, or you can say P as the symbol, and whose probability you are going to write, that we are going to write it in the bracket. So formula of probability is number of favorable outcomes, upon total number of outcomes. The formula of probability is number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Yes, definitely. So this is the formula of your probability. In this chapter, just remember one thing, that the value, or I can write it over here, value of probability. Value of probability always lies between the value of probability always lies between 0 and 1. The value of probability always lies between 0 and 1. Make it very sure. This question can be asked in the exam also if they want to, that the value of probability always lies between 0 and 1. Clear everyone? Yes or no? If you want to write or you want to click the photos, write down whatever you want to do it fast. Yes, Atif Ali written, definitely. Manthan, yes. Rudrakshi, Dhwani, Vansh, Faldu, Gondalyaom, Bagdai, who's over here, I think. Okay. Parth Vekaria is also here. Okay, so let's start. What we are going to learn in this, that is very important. We are going to talk on the 4 things in this probability section. That is, we are going to talk on the coins, we are going to talk on about cards, dice and bets. Let's start it. First we will talk about the outcomes and then we will talk about the probability answers. Coins. When we talk about coins, then definitely in the coins we have only 2 outcomes, that is tail and head. We are only having 2 outcomes, that is tail and head. These are the total outcomes. You can say outcomes. Outcome shortcut is O. In bracket we will write coins. Outcomes of coins is tail and head. If we talk about the probability of getting head in the coin, then what is the formula of the probability? The number of favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So if I want to know the answer of a head, then my favorable outcomes of a head is 1 and the total outcome is 2. Same way if I say the probability of tail over here, then probability of tail is also 1 out of 2. That means this type of outcomes are known as equally likely outcomes. This type of outcomes are known as equally likely outcomes. Got it? Now this coin is very easy. If we move to the die, now see, can anyone tell me what is the main difference between dice and die? Yes, right question. What's the difference between die and dice? Who will say me that? Fast tell me what's the common difference between die and dice. Fast. Let's see who cracks the answer fast. Common difference between dice and die. Fast, no one is still here to answer the question. Oh my God. Fast, Krit, Hitansh, what you are doing it? Die means to die. Oh, what a funny. Singular and plural. I think Swasti, you have used the Google, I think so. Rudraksh is telling die is matlab death. Died. Die is matlab death. Oh my God. सबको मारी डालना है. Dice is a cube. Then what is die here? No, sir. Dice means 1 and dice means more than 2. Is it so more than 2? Is it so more than 2? Paridhi is saying that the dice is cube. Dice means 2 dice. Okay. Okay. I answered it. Okay, Swasti. My is saying died and are things which is for playing. Dice is Ludo dice more than 1. Definitely don't know, sir. Oh my God, Krit, what are you saying? You don't know what is the difference between die and dice? Then let us make you clear the difference between die and dice. Both are used in Ludo. Die means 1 die, that means I can say singular, and dice means more than 1, that is plural. Both are cubical shape object only where the numbers or the dots are marked from 1 to 6. Both are same. The numbers are marked on all the faces of the cube from 1 to 6, but the only difference between die and dice is that the die is a singular when you have 1 die, and the dice means when you have more than 1 dice, that is known as plural form of the die. I hope now you are clear. હવે કોઈ એમ ન કહેતા, no one is going to say that the die means death. Oh my God, please. Harude, you don't kill me out. I know only do or die. Definitely, Krit, for you it's do and die only. If you are not going to get the full out of full marks, then you are going to do and die only. Wait for it. Krit. Definitely. Chalo, let's start it over here with the question. Now can you tell me how many outcomes are there in the dice or die, whatever you say? What are the outcomes? Okay, sir, understood now. Okay, tell me fast. Who is the one to answer? How many outcomes are there? 6. Atif Ali says 6. Arya says 6. Preet says 6. Teeth 6. Jarna 6. Then Anushka 6. Okay, Swasti has written the outcomes. Okay, the exact answer I got it from Swasti. That is the outcomes in the dice. Outcomes in the die is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total there are 6 outcomes. So can I say that the total number of outcomes are 6? And if I ask you in the question dice that what is the probability of getting even numbers in die? What is the probability of getting even number in a dice? Can anyone say me that? What is the probability of getting even numbers in die? Fast. 3 upon 6. Yes, Devashi says 3 upon 6. Then Atif Ali says Swasti. Then Mahi. Everyone says 3 upon 6 because we are having total even number 3. So favorable outcomes upon total outcome is 6. So your answer is 3 upon 6. We can write it in the lowest form, that is 1 upon 2. Same way, if I ask you the probability of odd numbers, then what would be your answers in the odd numbers? Odd numbers is again 3, 3, 3. Okay, definitely right. The odd numbers are 3 upon 6. Zarna said that. That means 1 upon 2. Moreover, I can ask the probability of prime numbers. This is interesting. The probability of prime numbers in the die. Which are the prime numbers? First, write down the outputs of the prime number, not an answer. I want to know the outputs of the prime numbers. Fast. Outputs of prime numbers. No one is here to still answer the outputs. 2, 3, 5. Definitely. Who's this? Atif Ali answered the first. That the answer is 2, 3, 5. Then Preet answered 2, 3, 5. Then Mahi answered only half 2, 5. Yes, 2, 3, 5. Okay, 2, 3, 5. Because 1 is neither prime nor composite. That means that the prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. That means 3 upon 6. The answer is 1 upon 2. Clear? So this is all the concept of Paridhi. It's not 2, 3, 6. It's 2, 3, 5. Now if I talk about more interesting thing, if I talk about dice done, coin done, okay, not, yes, now we will go with the cards. Teen patti, jungli rummy khelo, right? We are getting a lot of ads, jungli rummy, then what is the teen patti and all that. I don't know, I am not playing it, but now we are going to talk about cards in this. So let's begin. Atif Ali says 52. I know Atif Ali, you are playing a lot of cards. So 52 cards. Okay, Gondalia is also there with you, Atif Ali, to play the cards. Parth is also there. What do you do at the home? Are you all playing the cards that you are directly writing 52, 52, 52? Is it so? Okay, sir. Atif Ali is saying okay, nice too. Chalo, so let us talk about cards. That in the cards we are having the 4 groups. In the cards we are having 4 groups. First group would be somewhat like this. Don't mind the drawing, please. Another group would be somewhat like this. Then what would be the another one? Then one would be like this. And what would be the 4th type of group? Chalo, say me what would be the 4th side effects of Tinika. Oh my god, Parth, you have seen that? I think so. What is the 4th one? Black flower, diamond, heart. Heart remain. Okay. Heart. Bhai, how can I forget Mahi or heart of BTS? Oh my god. Heart of BTS. But this heart is of UTS, not of BTS. Sorry to say, Mahi. Heart. Yes, definitely. So now in this cards we are going to understand very properly that these are the 4 groups in the card. These 4 groups together makes 52 cards, 13 cards in each group. 13 cards in each group. And 2 groups, any 2 groups, matlab 2 groups would be of black. That means total how many black cards are there? 26. Same way 2 groups would be of red cards, which is equals to 26. That means total 52 cards. Now if I talk about the outcomes of the cards, now I am writing the outcomes of cards. That is A, 1 stands over here for A, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, then J, then Q, and then K. So we got it over here. 10 I missed out. Okay, 10. Fine. Chalo. So how many outcomes are there? A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then J, then Q and K. Then Krishu, you look over here. Sir, you have too many knowledge about cards. So that doesn't mean, Swasti, that I am playing the cards. I need to keep the knowledge to explain you all what are the cards. Very nice to hear. K and Q, definitely. You can drop the message in the group that sir is going to teach the probabilities on the cards, so that those who are having doubts related to the cards, they can come and join. Drop the message first related to the cards in the group. Sir, best excuse for maths teacher. So what do you mean, Parth, that I am sir, you have a duster, but desi duster. Sure. Sir, use the duster. Who will give the duster? You want to give? Tomorrow bring it. I'll use that duster. No doubt, doubt goes in air now. Oh my God. Blue one. Blue one, which is the blue one? Blue one duster you want to bring. Or whichever duster you want to bring it. Sir, Rohan is not there. I know that. Chala, let's ask the topic. You have, sir. I don't have, Krit. You have to bring it. Sir, give away for duster. Okay, I send already. Okay. Sir, upside down, upside do chapter 4. Okay, upside do chapter 4. Cancel. Chalo. Now what is chapter 4? Data handling. Fine. Chalo, now let's move and talk about the cards. See, if I ask you that what is the probability of red cards, what is the probability of red card, then the probability of red card is going to be 26 out of 52, because I told you that there are two groups of blue cards, two groups of black cards, sorry, not blue. Two groups of black cards and two groups of red card. So two groups mean 26 cards in each group. That means if I say the probability of red card, then answer is going to be 26 upon 52. Same way if I ask the probability of black card, then same way the probability of black cards is going to be 26 out of 52. So here I can write 1 upon 2, here also I can write 1 upon 2. But same way if I ask you probability of S, then what would be the answer? The probability of S would be, the probability of S is what? 1 upon 2. Definitely not 1 upon 2. What would be the probability of S cards? Fast. Let's answer it. Atif Ali, how can it be a 13 upon 52? 1 upon 4. 4 upon 52. Arya, say the answer 4 upon 52. So if 4 upon 52, that means we are having 4 groups and each group have 13 cards, and in each group S is there. That means all the 4 groups 1 S card. That means 4 is my favorable outcomes upon total outcome is 52. If we change it into lowest form, it becomes 1 upon 13. Clear? 1 upon 30. Same way if I ask what is the probability of alphabet cards. What is the probability of alphabet cards? Now how many alphabet cards are there in each group? First tell me that. How many alphabet cards are there in each group? Drop the message that 4. How many? I just only want how many alphabet cards are there in each group. Parth is saying 3, 3. No, it's wrong. How many? 4. Atif Ali said 4. Yes. There are 4 alphabet cards in each group, and same way we are having 4 groups. So in each group we are having 4 alphabet cards, that is S, J, Q and King. So 4 cards, and same way we are having 4 groups. That means total we are having 16 cards, alphabet cards. Just say that the 4 cards in each group, and same way we are having 4 groups. So total 16 alphabet cards are there in our pack of cards. So 16 upon 52. 16 is my favorable outcomes, upon 52 is my total outcomes. That means if I change it into lowest form, then you can get it over here. 4 4s, then 4 1s, and then 3s. So answer is 4 upon 13. Is it clear to you? So the lowest form is 4 upon 13. 4 4s, 4 1s, 4 3s. So answer is 4 upon 13. Same way, if I ask you one of the question that the probability of red king, then what would be the answer of probability of red king? First identify that how many red groups are there. We have only 2 red groups. We are having 2 red groups, and in each group we will be having a king. So the probability of red king is 2. So favorable outcome is 2, and our total outcome is 52. Clear everyone? Yes, Pranav says yes. Krit says right answer 2 upon 52. Over there Parth says right answer 2 upon 52, because 2 groups we are having of red color, and in 2 groups we are having king 2 only. So favorable outcome is 2 out of 52. So our answer is 1 upon 26. 1 upon 26. Clear everyone? So we will keep the cards till here. We will keep the cards till here. Is it fine or not? We will keep the cards till here. If you are new, then please hit the like button. Hit the like button so that I get motivated. Fast. Fast, fast, fast. We have 51 likes. Fast. Chalo. Now if I talk about our next chapters, that is chapter 5. The chapter 5 is squares and square root. So I am not going to cover that squares and square root chapter in this, because I have specially made the 2 videos on our channel specially for the chapter square and square root. Moreover, for the cubes and cube roots, I have already made a lot of videos on cubes and cube roots. So I will be sending you the links, scan and learn. In that you can watch squares and square root, as well as you can also watch the videos on cubes and cube roots. So we will not waste the time for that. Once I send you scan and learn, over that you can do. So I would request everyone to drop the message in the group that we are going to start chapter 7, because many of the students were saying that they are having the doubt in chapter 7. So meanwhile, other drop the message in the group. I would request everyone to hit the like button, and we will start with our chapter 7. Girls, I would also say to you as well as to the boys that drop the message that we are going to start our chapter 7 in the live sessions. So let's move to that. Our new Alak Pandey being prepared. Definitely, see Krit, I want to share one thing on this as you commented this. Heth has already sent me one photo. Over there he has compared me. Let me talk that story in front of you only, so you all will be interested to know that. Chalo, let's see that. Heth has already shared one photo to me. The first video of the Alak Pandey where he used to shoot, he has compared the first video of Alak Pandey with me in the live sessions. He has cropped the photos and he has sent me. Definitely I am going to share that photos in my WhatsApp status also, as well as Instagram, so that you can see over there how was it. So yes sir, new have reached to me. Okay, so you got it on the same day, definitely. But that is going to be awesome. I'm going to do that. So you just see over there and then don't forget to comment, is it so or not? But definitely, I want to create a history, and one day I will create the history, definitely, and the people will know me through the teachings of my in the maths. People will know me, definitely, that I am going to bang that. People will know that the maths, so we need to learn with the Utsav sir only. And you are my first batch which I can never forget. So thank you for your love and support. Sir, you are physics wala and we are students. I am maths wala, not physics wala. Chalo, chapter 7. I hope everyone has dropped the message in the group that I am going to start chapter 7, comparing quantities. Let's start it. Comparing quantities. Let's start it. I hope that no one is getting bored, and are you ready for the somewhat live? We are going to stretch today, stretch this live sessions for the more half an hour, or you can say, let us see, 45 minutes to 50 minutes. Yes or no? So are you ready for that? Yes or no? Drop the message so that I come to know. Yes, Swasti says. Yes, Atif Ali, it is okay, sir. Yes, okay. Everyone is okay with that. Yes, yes. So if many of them are new, yes, sir, we are okay. But are you? Definitely, I will do for you. And if I am not, then also I need to do, because this is the live last Sunday before the exam. So as I told you that we will be covering all the chapters in this. So definitely I am ready, but you should be ready. So many of them are new. So hit the like button over there. And if it's very new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it. Now let's keep the phone aside, and I'll be reading the comments or the glance, but we will start with our chapter 7 without wasting any time. Comparing quantities. In this chapter, it is very definitely easy and important for us to compare the quantities whenever the quantities are same. This makes a difference. If I do the comparison of any of the topics, but if the quantity, you can say the units are different, quantities though okay, but you can say that whenever the units are different, you cannot compare it. It's not called a fair comparison. Like if we talk the weight of two students, and I say the weight of one of the students in the gram and another student's weight in a kg, then it is not called a fair comparison. So we need to be very careful while converting or while comparing the quantities. We need to check whether the units given to us are same or not. We need to be very careful that we need to see that the units are same or not. Let's start it. Let's start with the exercise 7.1. First question we are going to see over here. 7.1 first question. That find the ratio of the following. Ratios, remember that the ratios are always written in the form of fractions. Ratios are always written in the form of fractions. So first question in that we can see that the speed of cycle is to speed of scooter. Speed of cycle is to speed of scooter. So we will write this in the form of fraction. That means speed of cycle upon speed of scooter. So when I do this, what happens over here, that the speed of cycle is 15 kilometers per hour, same way the speed of scooter is 30 kilometers per hour. That means here we can do the comparison easily. Why? Because here the units are same. Both are in the kilometer per hour. Both are in the kilometer per hour. That means our units are same. We can definitely do that. So 15 ones and 15 twos. Our answer is 1 upon 2. So if I write it in the form of ratio, it is 1:2. Clear or not? Yes or no? Yes, everyone has already answered 1:2, 1:2, 1:2. Definitely. Now we will move towards our question 3 that is 50 paisa to rupees 5. Now how we are going to do this 50 paisa to rupees 5? First we are going to write it in the form of fraction 50 paisa upon rupees 5, or you can say 5 rupees. Now here if you see the units, then the units are different, so first we need to convert, or we need to make the unit same. I told you that when we move from smaller unit to larger unit, when we move from smaller unit to larger unit, we will divide the number with its conversion number. And when we move from larger unit like kilometer to meter, we multiply the number with its conversion number. Do you remember this chart which I made you write last year? I made you write in the last year that the conversion, when we move from larger unit to smaller unit, that time we multiply the number with the conversion, or as we move from smaller unit to the larger unit like meter to kilometer, we will divide the numbers, with its conversion number. So of course we are going to, for the easy conversion, we are going to convert the larger unit to smaller unit, because we need to only multiply. That means 50 paisa upon 5 rupees. Now 1 rupee is equals to how much paisa? 100 paisa. So 5 rupees equals to 500 paisa. So paisa cancel, 0 0 cancel, 5 ones are 5 tens are. So our answer is 1 upon 2, which is equals to 1 is to 10. Clear to you? Yes or no? Clear to you? That helped me a lot. Krit is saying that helped me a lot. Thank you, Krit. So that's the only reason why I make the things more simpler for you. Definitely we will move further. That helped me a lot. Hitanshu is also saying great. Yes, chalo, let's move further with our question 2. Convert. If you want to take the screenshot, take it fast so that we could move further. Take it fast. Hit the like button if you are new. Attended live at 4%. Attending live, then keep it on a charge. You are having 4%, I am having 44%. Don't worry. Chalo, let's move further. No charger, then tata bye bye. Khatam aapka kaam. Swasti, no charger then. Chalo, let's move to the question 2. Question 2 says that convert the following ratios to percentage. We need to convert the following ratios in the form of percentage. So whenever I convert, then what is that? As convert the ratios in the form of percentage, the first question, if I say 3:4, we will write this ratio in the form of fraction, and then definitely we are going to convert in the form of percentage. That means we want the answer in percentage, so we will multiply with 100. Definitely 3/4 into 100. 4 ones are 4 25s are, so our answer is 75%. I always tell you that whenever we want answer in the form of percentage, we multiply with 100, and if we don't want the answer in percentage, we divide with 100. Clear everyone? Yes or no? No need to write the percent. Okay, done, fine. 75%. Yes, everyone saying 75. Okay, good. Let's move towards question further. That is question. Now we are going to take one interesting questions. That is, I would like to take it from the take it from the exercise only. Like we will take the question 4. A football team won 4 matches out of the total number of matches. So a football team is there, he had played many matches, but out of that the 10 matches was won by them out of total. We don't know the total number of matches. Okay. If their win percentage was 40, So number of matches won by them is 10. See, in the starting only they told us the football team won 10 matches. So that means matches are there with us. How many matches are there? That is 10 matches are there which they have won. And in the another statement they are telling that if their win percentage was 40, matlab the winning values are given in two form. One is given in the matches form and another one is given in the percentage form. So the team has won 10 matches and the percentage of the 10 matches is 40 percentage, and they are telling us to find that how many matches did they played in all. That means we have to find the total number of matches, and total number of matches are equals to how many percentage? Total number of matches are equals to how many percentage? Fast, drop the message. Total number of matches are equals to how many percentage? Quick, 100. Yes, Krit is the first to answer. Atif Ali, then Swasti, then Devarshi, then Hetans, Arya. Okay. Our one values are given in two form, one in matches and one in percentage. 10 matches equals to 40 percentage, so 100 percentage equals to how much? So we'll do the cross multiplication. 10 into 100 upon 40. 10 ones are 10 fours are 4 ones are 25. That means 25 matches they had played in total, and out of that 25 matches, 10 matches was won by the footballers. Yes or no? Is it easy? Yes or no? Say it fast. Yes, okay. Okay, so now we will jump towards our exercise next, that is 7.2. Over there we are going to talk about tax and the discounts over here. Then we will talk about compound interest. It's so easy topic, but still we will take so that our complete course will be covered topic. Tax can be of many types: GST, VAT, then sales tax. Many types of taxes. The name of the taxes are many, but the concept for the taxes are same, that the tax are always added on 100. Same way if we talk about discount, then discount is always subtracted from 100. Discount is always subtracted from 100 and tax is always added on 100. This is very simple thing which you need to learn. If you know this, then definitely we can start with our questions of exercise 7.2. If we talk about the second question in that, the price of TV is 13,000. The sales tax charge on it is at the rate of 12%. So taxes is charged on that TV is 12%. Right now the value of the TV which is given to us, that is without tax, and they are telling us to find the amount that the Vinod will have to pay if he buys it. That means we need to find the bill amount. We need to find the bill amount of it. Can I say that the cost of TV is 13,000? That the taxes he has to pay, that is I can write GST he has to pay, that is 12%. So tell me that the cost of the TV 13,000 is equals to how much percentage? The cost of TV is equals to how many percentage? Fast, tell me. 100. Sir, VAT and tax are not same. They are same only. So the tax of the TV is equals to 100%, definitely. So I'll make two columns. One I'll make for the amount and another one I'll make for the percentage. If I say what's the amount of my television, that is 13,000 is the amount of my television, as well as the percentage of the TV is right now 100%. I need to find the value of the TV after tax. I have to find the value of TV after tax. So tax is always added on 100. So 100 plus tax, that is 100 plus 12 is 112 percentage value I have to find. Tax is always added on 100. That means I need to find the value of the TV of 112 percentage. That means 13,000 into 112 upon 100. 2 zeros cancel. What would be the answer? Drop the fast. Drop the answers. Yes, Sril, 14,560. Drop the answer fast. Whether it's right or wrong. Chalo, calculate and tell me. Fast, fast, fast. What would be the answer of 130 into 112? Krit says 14,560. Devasi says 14,000. Okay, Swasti. Everyone says 14,560. I trust you. So 14,560 is the value of the television after tax. So you need to write that. Therefore, the value of the TV after tax is 14,560 rupees. Clear, everyone? Yes or no? Let's move further. Now we will take one of the question of the discount, that is question 3. Question 3 we will take it of the discount. Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount given was 20%. If the amount he pay is rupees 1600, find the market price. Definitely, see, marked price they want to find us. Any of the person is there who is there in the or went to any of the shopping mall, the money which he is going to pay, that he is going to pay after discount only. If a sale is going on, then whatever money you are going to pay to the mall persons or the shop owners, that you are going to pay after discount. So over here same way, this 1,600 amount which he is paying to the shopkeeper, that would be after discount. And when it gives after discount, that means the cost of the skates after discount will be equals to how many percentage? How many percentage he has paid to the shopkeeper? Drop the yes. Swati first, 80%. Anyone else who can answer it fast? Okay, Krit says 80%. That means the person has paid to the shopkeeper the value of 80% only. Came, it's so simple, क्योंकि कभी भी अगर आप डिस्काउंट वाली शॉप पे जाओगे तो जो आप पैसे देने वाले हो शॉपकीपर के, वो हमेशा आप डिस्काउंट के बाद ही दोगे. तो डिस्काउंट है 20% का, और मैंने आपको यहाँ पे भी बताया डिस्काउंट इज ऑलवेज सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम 100. तो 100 में से 20 माइनस कर दो, हो जाएगा 80. दैट मीन्स वी हैड पेड शॉपकीपर the amount of 80% only. That means we will make two columns over here. One is of amount and another one is of percentage. The skates cost is 1,600, that is equals to 80%. The cost of amount, the cost of skates is 1,600, which is equals to 80%. So now we have to find the value of marked price. Marked price is MRP, and MRP is always equals to how much percentage? Fast. MRP is always equals to how much percentage? Semi fast. Amount is equals to MRP is equals to how much percentage? 100. Atif Ali, Swasti, then Anushka, Arya, Bhakti, Vans, definitely all, Dhwani, all have answered right that the MRP is always equals to 100%. That means we have to find the value of 100%, question mark. Let's do the cross multiplication. 1600 into 100 upon 80. 2 110s cut over here. Then 8 1s are 8 2s are 60. 20 over here. The answer is 2,000 rupees. That means the cost of the skate is rupees 2,000. Clear, everyone? Easy? Yes or no? Is it easy? I would like to appreciate the students who are here with me from the beginning of the live sessions. It is almost 2 hours, so I would request everyone to clap for yourself for being 2 hours with me. Clap for yourself first. This is my first live video which has crossed 2 hours. Clap for it. Yes, sir. Thank you, Jarna, for beginning. Atif Ali, yes, I can see. Clap for yourself as well as for your UTS Army that I am being the live for the first time more than 2 hours. Thank you everyone for joining me and motivating me every time. Thank you so much. So clap meanwhile I raise the board. Celebrity feeling. Oh my God, Swasti is saying celebrity. Even I am feeling like a celebrity that you all are here with me from last 2 hours. And this is the only thing which motivates me every time to come live in front of you. So this is the best way of interactive way of learning rather than video. In video what happens, I just shoot the video and I upload it and you all see it. But this is the best way where we can interact with each other. Definitely I go verbal interaction and you go commenting interaction, but this is the best way. Cutting ourselves. Thank you everyone. Thank you sir too. Once is saying, oh my God, I am getting lots of claps. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you. Let's begin with our topic of this chapter, that is compound interest. What is compound interest? Compound interest is such a interest which is applied interest on interest. Interest ની ઉપર interest આવે. Atif Ali is saying that sir, I switch up my fan. Why Atif Ali? You on the fan and sit quietly, relax yourself and sit in the fan and AC. I am there for you. No need to worry about it. You are celebrity, Swasti is saying. Thank you so much, Hetans is saying. Okay, thank you everyone. Shril Manwar. Okay, let's see. Compound interest is what? Compound interest is such interest which is applied interest on interest. That means whenever you are supposed to find the interest, first of all, we need to find amount and then only we can find compound interest. And the formula of amount is A equals to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to n. A equals to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to n. And in this amount, one more formula is amount equals to P bracket 1 minus R upon 100 raised to n. Can anyone tell me when can we apply the formula of minus in the compound interest during the amount? Can anyone say me? Tell me fast. Decreasing. Okay, Krit says for decreasing. Swasti said for decreasing. UTS is the best. Mishri. Okay, fine. Drop the message fast. Sir, tomorrow is live sessions or not? No live sessions. Today is the live last. Dhwani decreasing. Atif Ali depreciation. Definitely. Bhakti says depreciation. Good. Depreciation is the correct word. There are synonyms you can also use for the decreasing. Anushka asked me that can you give 2 or 3 minutes of break? Definitely you can take a break. Even I will take a break to drink water. So if you want, then go fast, rush and drink the water and come back. Meanwhile I also do it. Hetans is saying example 2005 we have to go to 2001. Definitely. Chalo fast, have a break. Meanwhile I also have a break of water drink. But no one is going to leave it because still chapter 7 and 13 is left to remember, to recall, sorry. Manmeet is saying clapping for UTS. Very good. एक लाइक तो बनता है यार. Those who are over here, hit the like button if you are not hit till now. Chalo, come on, let it be back to our studies. If you are here, then say yes, ready, hit the ready. Done, yes, Atif Ali, have completed with the water drinks. If you are ready, then say that you are ready so that we could move further. Ready, Krit is over here. Okay, Swasti. Thanks in Korean. I only say thank you in Korean if I really want to. Yes, definitely. When the decrease word have came. Okay, done, decreasing. Yes, Swasti. Okay, ready. So everyone is back. Some of you have really went for the long break. So call them back. Okay. Thanks in Korean. I cannot pronounce, but thank you so much, Mai. Chalo, let's back. Come back. Chalo. Ready. Everyone is ready. Now let's start it. Let's start. Chalo. Decreasing. Now when the decreasing is said, or you find that the amount is decreasing or the population is decreasing, or especially it works with the automobiles like scooter, cars or that. When we use the things for a while, then what happens that the depreciation has been counted on that. And how to count the depreciation, and whenever we have to count the depreciation, we will use the formula of amount equals to P bracket 1 minus R upon 100 raised to N. Clear? So let's see few of the questions on the compound interest. We will see one of the word problems also, and definitely. So in short, if I say that we could go with exercise 7.3 only, 3 questions are there. In that depreciation is also there, then increase is also there, everything is over here. So we will go with exercise 7.3 only. Are you all ready? So I would, yes. Ready. Anushka is ready. Chalo, everyone. So let's open the exercise 7.3 and start with it. Okay, exercise 7.3. Let's start it. First question. The population of a place increased to 54,000 in 2003. So in 2003, first question. In 2003, the population rate is increased. In 2003, the population was 54,000. That means initial number we will always take it as a principal. Rate of interest is 5%. And in the for sub question 1, they told that we need to find the population in 2001. Tell me, is it increasing or decreasing? Is it increasing or decreasing? Tell me fast. In the sub question 1, is it increasing or decreasing? Drop the message fast. Decreasing. Yes, Swasti is the first. Rudrakshi is first to say that it is decreasing. Krit is third, decreasing. Yes, Anushka. Bhakti decreasing. Manmeet, Dhwani decreasing. Yes, everyone says. Then which formula we have to use? Do we have to use the formula of minus or plus? Chalo, comment it fast. We have to use the formula of minus or plus. Fast. Everyone is saying decreasing, right? Yes, Rudrakshi, you are the first to say minus 1. Then Swasti, then Krit, then Bhakti, then Anushka, then Rudrakshi, minus 1. What's the formula? A equals to P bracket 1 minus R upon 100 raised to N. So A equals to, what's my principal? 54,000 bracket 1 minus rate of interest 5 upon 100 raised to N. Number of years. Now tell me what would be the number of years. Tell me. Tell me what would be it. Yes, number of years will be 2. Definitely the number of years will be 2. So let's do that. Number of year is 2 because we want to know the population from 2003 to 2005. So number of years is 2. So A equals to 54,000 in bracket 1. What would be the LCM over here? 100. So can I write that instead of 100 minus 5 upon 100 raised to 2. That means A equals to 54,000 bracket 95 upon 100 raised to 2. This raised to 2 means that we have to multiply this whole fraction 2 times. That means A equals to 54,095 upon 100 into 95 upon 100. Two zeros cancel, one zero cancel over here. Tell me the answer fast. A equals to how much? 54 into 95 into 95. Tell me fast. 54 into 95 into 95 upon 10. Fast. 48,735. Okay, 48,700. Okay. Rudrakshi said 48,750 divided by 10. 110 cancel. That means the population at the end of 2001 will be 48,735. So population at the end of 2001 is 48,735. Clear? Yes, chalo. So same way we will do one of the question for the addition also, and we will end up with this chapter. Then we will only see the highlights of our chapter 13. So ready? Let's do with the sub question 2. Let's go with the sub question 2. Chalo, let's start it. So in the next question, sub question, they are telling that what would be its population in 2005? What would be the population in 2009? So here we will use which formula? Plus or minus? Drop the message fast. Here we will use the formula plus or minus. Here it's increasing or decreasing. Accordingly you need to say yes plus. Rudrakshi, Kreet plus, Bhakti increasing, Atif Ali plus, yes, Swasti plus, Anushka plus. Very nice. Everyone is answering plus. So we'll use A equals to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. So P is 54,000. 1 plus rate is 5 upon 100. What would be the number of years? What would be the number of years? Tell me. From 2003 to we need to find 2005. Rudrakshi first to answer 2. So A equals to 54,000 bracket 100 plus 5 upon 100 raised to 2. That means A equals to 54,105 upon 100 raised to 2. That means we have to multiply the whole bracket 2 times. 54,000 into 105 upon 100 into 105 upon 100. 2 zeros cancel, 1 zero cancel over here. So A equals to 54 into 105 into 105 upon 10. Hit the answer. Chalo, tell me fast the answer. What would be the answer? What would be the answer? Yes, definitely answers 595,350 divided by 10. 595,350 divided by 10. 0 0 cancels. So A equals to 59,535 will be the population of the country at the end of 2005. So at the end of 2005, the population will be 59,535. Clear? Yes or no? Clear or not? Chalo, so let's move to our recap of chapter 30, that is introduction to graph. So are you all ready? Yes or no? Tell me. And do you want me to carry forward for the last 10 minutes more? Yes or no? If you say yes, then only we will carry forward, otherwise we won't. Tell me your views. Yes, yes, Rudakshi is telling, Anushka, then Thake Chavraj, okay, yes, yes, we can take, can I take your 10 to 15 minutes more so that we could complete with our chapter 13? Yes, everyone is ready, no problem sir, you can, Kriti is saying, highlights, okay, okay, let's do it. Okay, chalo, let's move further with our chapter 13, that is introduction to graph. Introduction to graph. See, this graph chapter, I can take it, I can say that it is a cash chapter, introduction to graph, because you are going to get completely full marks over there. Introduction to graph, 13 chapter, and the last chapter of our crash course, it would be Rokda marks. Kriti saying Rokda marks. Yes, Rokda marks, definitely. Let's start it. See, in this chapter 13, whenever you draw the graph, it is very necessary for you to draw the basic things before reading any question. Like reading question means you should draw the basic things before proceeding to the questions. The basic things, like first we should mark x-axis and y-axis, that is definitely 110%. Here we will write x-axis, here we will write y-axis, your x-axis, your y-axis, your origin, the x-axis, y-axis, your origin. This much we should know how to write before anything. After that, here we will write the things which needs to be there on the x-axis. यहाँ पे हम वो चीज़ें लिखेंगे जो कि x-axis में हमें represent करना है. Same way we will write here all the details what needs to be represented on the y-axis. Then we will write the scale, because this scale matters a lot. This scale matters a lot. So after writing x-axis, y-axis 0, then scale, we will write all the details of it. While scale, I would request you to take the, I would request you to skip two box. Here 2 box, 2 box, 2 box, 2 box. Because in our textbook, whatever the data are given to us, that is very less. So to look our graph huge enough, big enough, we will take the boxes 2 in that. And whenever we are leaving 2 boxes, we will write 2 units. How many boxes we leave, that many units we are going to write. How many boxes we are going to leave, that many units we are going to write. So let us take one of the examples and clear the question more properly. Yes or no? Scale, once is saying yes. So tell me, we will take one of the question and we will wind up with then. Which question we should take? Chala fast. Which question we should take? 13 chapter. Fast. Open up and tell me which question we should take for the graph. Question 5a. Question 5a. Okay. Number of days a hillside city receives snow in different years. Question 2 of exercise 13.2. We'll go with the maximum numbers. Question 5a. Google question. Okay, you Google and tell me. Line passes origin wala. Exercise 13.2 question 2. Exercise 13.2 question 5a. 13.2. Most of are going with exercise 13.2. Okay, exercise 13.2 question 2. Okay, exercise 13.2 question 2. Question 2 means question 1 sub question or question 2 itself. Okay, we will take one. We will take Okay, for easiness we will take the exercise 13.2 question 1 we will take, because you only have to understand how to do it. So we will take exercise 13.2, exercise 13.2 question 1, sub question A we will take, sub question A. See, here the cost of apples are given to us. We need to write the number of apples. So how many numbers of apples are there? Whatever data would be given first, that we would be writing on the x-axis, and whatever data would be given to us next, that we would be writing on the y-axis. So let us write over here what we will be writing on the x-axis. Drop the message fast in this apple. What we will be writing on the x-axis? Right, tell me fast. What would be writing on the x-axis? Chalo, energy. कहाँ गई आपकी energy? Number of apples. I am here draining out, not you all. Write the answer. Chalo, number of apples. Okay. Okay, number of apples. Number of apples will be writing on the x-axis. Then what will be writing on the number on the y-axis? Fast, fast, fast. Hurry up. UTS army is draining out at the home. Drop the message fast. Cost, cost. Rudaksh is telling cost. Okay, rupees, rupees, cost, cost. So we will be writing cost on y-axis. Cost of apples in rupees. We will be writing cost of apples in rupees on the y-axis. And now what would be my scale? Scale we always take from y-axis. So what would be my scale? Fast. One apple I am having on my hand. Thank you, Craig. That's been mounted over there for the shooting. This is not an apple, but definitely I have eaten apple with me. 2 units equals to 5 rupees. Definitely. Swasti says 2 units. Bhakti says 2 units equals to 5 rupees. 2 units equals to 5. Okay, Dhwani. Bhakti, not 1 unit, 2 unit, because we are skipping 2 boxes over here. 2 units equals to 5 rupees. 2 units 5 rupees. Okay, everyone is right. 2 units equals to 5 rupees. So 2 units equals to 5 rupees. So after 0 we will write 5, 10, 15, 20. We have to go with 25. Okay, so we will make it over here 25. This is y-axis. And how many apples are there total? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 I am having. So you just tell me that 1 apple cost is 5. 1 apple cost is 5. So from here 1 apple is 5, 2 apple is 10, then 3 apple, okay, here 15, 4 apples 20, and the 5th apple is 25. So we got a straight line. We got a straight line. We have to draw the line such a way as I cannot draw the exact line over here because I am not doing it on the graph paper, but the line will be straight. The line will be straight, and if I don't have any apple, then definitely the cost of the apple would also be 0. That means this graph starts from 0. So this type of graph is known as a linear graph. This type of graph is known as a linear graph. Clear everyone? Yes or no? This is like a celebrating moment that we all are together from 1:45 minutes. We all are together from 1:45 minutes. Definitely, so it's nice to you. Chalo. So we have done the whole course. We have covered today. Very soon you will be getting Scan and Learn QR also in the groups. So that will be very definitely happy to share that QR with you so that you can directly access to it. So it's a time to say that before the exam, before the SEM 1, this would be the last live sessions in front of you. Now the next live sessions will be from SEM 2. So you say me, from the SEM 2, do you want me to conduct live sessions or the premier one? What do you want? Tell me, what do you want? You want me to go premiere or live? चलो फास्ट एनर्जी, जल्दी फटाफट मैसेज चाहिए मुझे अब. Live sessions, yes. You want me to go with the live sessions? Okay. Sir, we want live sessions. Okay, Priya is saying that yes, at the last someone has came that is okay, live. Everyone wants me to go live. Kreet, oh my god, how many E's you typed? Thank you. Dhwani live, Sangvit live. Thank you, sir. Okay. So you all want me to go live for the upcoming SAM also. Stay tuned, because in the next SAM I am going to bring objective questions from each and every chapters in the live. I am going to bring the series on all the chapters, the questions apart from the textbook, which is definitely going to help you out in the higher studies or for the competitive exams also. Sir, yes. So we want you, even not we, but especially I want my kids to grow like anything. So now we will keep this live sessions till here, and I got that everyone wants me to come every time live in front of you. So if anyone is new over here, then please hit the like button fast. Hit the like button, and if you are new, not subscribed, then subscribe it. Share the links to your friends also, so they can also utilize this crash course video before exam, because NCERT book is same everywhere. NCERT book is same everywhere. So if your friends are there, then share with them. It will definitely help them also to score good marks. So we will keep it till here. Thank you everyone. Before leaving, write UTS Army fast. Sir, please post this video because I was out because of the important reasons. Okay, I will keep it. So write UTS Army and then leave. UTS Army. Yes, Atif Ali wrote that. Yes, Manmeet, then Mahi, Swasti. Yes, Shril, Bye, Paridhi. Write UTS Army and then leave. Yes, UTS Army. You all my army. Chalo. Write it UTS Army, and we will keep it till your students. Thank you for such a love which you have given me. Thank you everyone. UTS Army is the best, Mystery says. UTS Army, Hitans. Chalo, so we'll keep it till here. Thank you everyone. Bye bye everyone. All the best for the exam. Nice job, sir. Thank you.